Check out the amount of melodies I can produce with just my left hand thumb. So now imagine what will happen if I add the right hand thumb. And the instrument is called the Mbira Dzavadzimu from Zimbabwe. And the purpose of this video is not to learn this, because I call this the final boss, because it's very complicated, and there are a few things that I need to teach you first, like a few notations and a few exercises, and we still need to learn a few songs, maybe from Jah Praiser, just so that your fingers get used to the instrument. And this tune is coming from a very popular Mbira standard from Zimbabwe called wait a minute. You tell me. We want to find the ones who know the name of this Mbira standard. So if you know, just put it in the comments. And as always, this is for the serious ones. So for only the serious ones, if you want to learn this stuff, just come to the direct message or put it in the comments, and then we'll set up some WhatsApp videos where I'll send you a bunch of videos of how to break everything down step by step.